Text 2. The Art of Preserving Travel Memories. Make a plate with your travel maps. Matthew 24, UK. Buying souvenirs and taking photos can be good ways to remember a trip. But most of the time, I will store these things somewhere and hardly ever look at them. And thus they would be slowly forgotten. So I came up with my own method of preserving memories in a more interesting and visible way. I started doing this 2 years ago when I got an opportunity to travel around Europe with one of my best friends. It was a spontaneous trip, so we relied mainly on paper maps from hostels or tourist information offices. Every day, we planned our route and sightseeing stops on those maps. When I returned home, I realized I had accumulated lots of these maps, and suddenly I thought I could make a souvenir out of them. I began by cutting out some landmarks from the map that show the best parts of our trip, such as the Eiffel Tower, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Colosseum. Then I got an ordinary plate and pasted the map pieces onto it using special glue. Finally, I put a layer of sealant over the whole plate so that the paper wouldn't fade or worn out over time. The result is a wonderful decoration that I can look at every day. It is also a terrific reminder of every place I visited.